Make your own crossbody bag. So we're going to be making the crossbody bag today, and I have a couple different variations I'm going to be showing you. So all the things that you're going to be getting in the box, everything in here is all that you need to be able to make the Martelli crossbody bag. We'll be showing you how to make the strap with a lobster claw clasp and all the fun things to make this fringed crossbody bag. So what all do you get in the box to make this? Well, everything that you need is going to be in the box so that you'll be able to make this project. And once you make one, you're not going to want to stop there. You want to continue making more of them. And I've got so many of them here for you. So this one here, again, this is our medium size, cute little tote, great to have with your handle. It even is just long enough for you to be able to put on your shoulder. So you're going to get a fat quarter for the outer fabric. You're going to have a fat quarter for the lining for the main drawstring bag. And then you're going to have 1/8 of a yard for the exterior of your pocket and 1/8 of a yard for the interior of your pocket. So you're going to have all of that, making sure it's nice and straight, not angled on you. Just stitching it down. Here's my little handle, and you just attach it to your D-ring. Zip it up. Your zipper, you'll find it just magically goes onto the inside. And your project is complete. That is the little zipper bag. So the little puff pouch, and it's just a fun little bag. Again, this is the medium size. So this would be a great little cosmetic bag. You could add a pocket to the inside of it. You would have received the brand new bunny ear template with the bow tie. So there's 2 templates that came in it. You would have came with about 1/2 yard of 2 different fabrics, one for the outer fabric, one for the lining. You would have also received a couple of pieces of vinyl, the instructions, and you would have got some fusible fleece with this one, and a ribbon. So I'm going to show you how all of these items fit together. So instead of like a regular shoelace tie, like a single, I'm going to wrap it twice, and I'm going to cinch it above my clip. Cinch it tight above my clip, and there you have your little bunny ear basket. How easy is that?